A project manager and an executive engineer of an engineering industry manufacturing turbomachinery equipment encountered the challenges like customer dissatisfaction, quality defects, sales value, and profitability margin. Both of them got together to see through the processes, identify every opportunity using value stream map, started plotting every activity of material and communication flow and their correspondence with every involved people, who and how, and could identify the opportunities in costing and estimation, material procurement, combining quality checks, combining machining operations, material logistics, inbound, outbound. They continued to brainstorm and got several ideas for each such opportunities. They decided to use four quadrant method: high impact, low impact, easy, and hard. This matrices approach is used by them is to rationalize the ideas and implement to improvise the situation. And they implemented the following ideas. Using Microsoft Excel sheet, they built a should costing tool with part design, dimensions, GD&T, so on and so forth, which has become an easiest solutions with high impact of machining cost control. And eliminating magnetic particle inspection at rough machining stage and combining it with die penetration test on the final machining stage. Using vacuum degazing route of the raw materials to ensure the quality at source. Machining operations combined with different sources for quality and logistics like skimming, finishing operation, milling with interpolation. All these implementations resulted in profitability rise by 15% and on-time delivery ticked to 99.5%. Both of these results gained the confidence with the customer and orders multiplied by two folds.